Hey everyone, welcome to another review. Today we're going to be looking at Mageegee Star 61. I was not expecting to review this keyboard, it was gifted to me, and yeah, so I'm going to be giving you my honest review about it. Inside the box is standard things like a cable USB to USB-C. This keyboard is not, at least this version is not wireless, it only works with a cable, some extra keycaps, and of course a switch and cap puller. The keyboard itself actually feels kind of more sturdy than I expected. It's pretty simple. I'm not very impressed with it out from the box, and you will see a little bit more why in a little bit. The switches inside are the Outemu brown switches. Of course, the extra keycaps actually make it look a little bit better in my opinion, because of course, like I like a little bit more of color. Now we're gonna have the sound test of the keyboard. And as you can see, I honestly think the switches really need some lubing, and maybe the keyboard is going to need some modding. It has, as you can see, LEDs in the backlighting, but only one color and several modes. I'm definitely going to try in modding this keyboard in the future once I get my modding materials that I order, but so far I'm not very impressed with this keyboard right out of the box. I think there's better options out there, but well, if you liked what you've seen, you have the links down below. It's a budget keyboard, we could not expect like a lot out of it, but I do think this keyboard needs some urgent lubing and modifications to make it feel better. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!